Got it? I got it! Ha ha! Look at that! My first time! Wow! I am really proud of that, man. Wow. I've seen people pick these really easy, and this was my first attempt. This is a Federal 1000 stainless steel. Oh, shit, sorry. Federal 1000 stainless steel. Oh, wow. That is really sweet. These are actually a little easier to open than I thought. I was intimidated because I didn't really know how to hold it. Can't put it in the vise, and it was awkward to hold. And this was a satisfying open, but not a fun pick for me. I'm still glad I got it open, though. Wow. Another feather in my cap. Thanks for watching, everybody, and sticking with me. I really appreciate it. Oh, by the way, I this is one of the locks that I got from Paracentric, so I'm opening up your locks, buddy. Happy about the open, but that was not fun. All right, take it easy, everybody. Thanks a lot.